We are starting new room investigating with ELK 101. Investigate VPN log through the ELK. In this room, we will learn how to utilize the Kibana interface to search, filter, and create visualization dashboard while investigating VPN logs. For anomalies, this room also covered the brief overview of Elasticsearch components and how they work together. Learning objectives. This room has following learning objectives: how to perform search, apply a filter, save search, how to create visualization, investigate VPN logs to identify anomalies, to create dashboard using saved searches and visualization. This one is going up. A US-based company, CyberD, has been monitoring VPN logs of employees, and the SOC team detected some anomalies in VPN activities. Your task as SOC analyst is to examine VPN log for January 2022 and identify the anomalies. Some of key points to note before the investigation are: all VPN logs are being investigated into the index VPN connections. The index containing VPN logs for January 2022. User John Brown was terminated at 1st of January 2022. We observed failed connection attempts against some users that need to be investigated. Okie doke. Elasticsearch is a collection of different open source components linked together to help users take the data from any source and in any format and perform a search analysis and visualize the data in real time. Elasticsearch, Logstash, beats Kibana. Let's explore each component briefly to see how they work together. Elasticsearch is a full search and analytic engine used to store JSON formatted documents. Elastic is an important component used to store, analyze, perform correction on the data, etc. Elasticsearch supports RESTful API to interact with the data. Logstash is a data processing engine used to take the data from different sources, apply the filter on it or analyze it, and then send it to destination, which could be Kibana and or listing port. Logstash configuration file is divided into 3 parts as shown below. The input part is where user defines the source from each data which data is being ingested. Logstash supports many input plugins as shown in the reference. This is reference, Azure Events, Hubs, Bits, CloudWatch, CouchDB changes, the later queue, Elastic Agent, Elasticsearch, exec file. What's exec? Capture output of shell command s event file streams event from files. Ganglia reads Ganglia packets over UDP. Kelp reads GELF format messages from Greylog to as events generator, GitHub, Google Cloud Storage, Google PubSub, Graphite, Heartbeat, HTTP polar decodes the output of HTTP API into events IMAP, reads mail from IMAP server, IRC reads events from IRC server, Java generator, synthetic logs, Java input, JMS read event from JMS broker, Kafka, log4j, Jack, pipe, streams event from long running command pipe, puppet, factor, receive from puppet, rabbit MQ, redis, REPL, RSS, S3, NS, SQS, all the jazz from AVR3 bucket, S3 buckets, Salesforce, NSM, MP, SNMP trap, SQL, STTIN, syslog, TCP, Twitter, UDP, Unix, reads, sockets, varnishlog, WebSocket, WMI creates event based on results of WMI queries, XMPP, Java protocols. Very nice, very nice. So the filter part is where the user specifies filter option, normalize the log ingested above. Logstash support many filter plugins as shown in the reference documentation. Let me see. Reference. Those are filters, age, aggregate, server events, filter bytes, CIDR, cipher, clone, CSV, date, distinct, DNS, drops all event, clap, JIP, environment, extract number from string. Very nice. Fingerprint, filled by replacing value with a consist hash. Grok passes unstructured event data into file. Fields. IATN remove special character from the field. Java UID, JDBC static reload from remote databases. JSON encode, KV, memcached, met resize, take complex event containing a number of metrics and splits those up into multiple events, each folding the single metric. Okay, metrics, mutate, prune, event based on list of fields to blacklist or whitelist. Range Ruby, execute arbitrary Ruby code, very nice. Slip, splits, multiple line method strings, or arrays into distinct event. Syslog PRI passes a PRI priority. Field of the syslog method threads classifier enriches security logs with information about the attacker intent. Total number of events, TLD, replaces content default message field with or ever You specify in configuration translate, truncate, URL decode. Very nice. User agent, UID, WURL, device detection, enriches logs with information such as brand, model, OS. Very nice. Passes user agent string. Okay. So the output part is where the user wants to filter data. To send it can be listing port, Kibana interface, search, Elasticsearch database, a file. Logstash supports many output plugins such as shown in here. App search, boundary, Circonus, based on Logstash events, CloudWatch, Datadog, Datadog metrics, Dynatrace, Elastic App Search, Elastic Walk, Play Search, Elasticsearch, Email, Exec file, output plugins, okay, InfluxDB. Seems like same it was an input. Nagios NCA, open page, PagerDuty, okay, pipeline, RabbitIQ, React, Reminan, S3 pockets of the Amazon, I think, SNS Solar HTTP, StatD, SenseMetric, StatD Network Diamond, STD out, Stomp, TeamValueDP, WebHTDFS, WebSocket, Workplace Search, XMP, Zabbix. Okay, very solid. Bits is hosted based, so we have input, filter, and output. Okay, Bits is hosted based agent, no, data shipper that is used to ship transfer data from endpoint to Elasticsearch. Each bit is a single purpose agent that sends specific data to the search. All available bits are shown below. File bit, audit bit, head bit, metric bit, bucket bit, function bit, serverless, lightweight shipper from Windows event log, shipper from network, bucket bit, lightweight shipper to metric data, uptime monitoring, audit data, lightweight shipper for logs and other data. Okay, very nice. Kibana is a web-based data visualization that works with Elasticsearch to analyze, investigate, visualize the data stream in real time. It allows the user to create multiple visualization and dashboards for better visibility. More on Kibana in the following tasks. So, how they work together. Bits, data collection agent, Logstash, data input filter process output, Elasticsearch, index and store data, Kibana, analyze and visualization. Analysis and visualization. Bits, different data ships agent, used to collect data from multiple agents like WinLogBit is used to collect Windows event logs. PacketBit collects network traffic flow. Logstash collects data from bits, port or files, etc. Passes normalize it into a field value pairs and stores them into Logstash search. Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch acts as a database used to search and analyze the data. Kibana is responsible for displaying, visualizing the data stored in Elasticsearch. The data stored in Elasticsearch can easily be shipped into different visualization, time charts, infographics, etc. using Kibana. Logstash is used to visualize data. Logstash supports all data formats apart. Kibana overview, and I will start the machine. Let me see. So as I see, it's not split screen room, so I will have to start also dark machine of some kind, and then log into, here we go, log into IP with these credentials. So let me start a quick machine and we'll proceed. Or maybe, as we already covered, brief intro of Kibana into a room, we will explore different Kibana features while investigating the VPN logs. Kibana is an integral component of Elastic Stack that is used to display, visualize, and search logs. Some of important tabs we will cover here: Discover tab, Visualization, Dashboard, Room. Before moving forward, we have VPN and deploy. Okay, so as I said, I will deploy attack box and we will proceed. So here we go. I have deployed the machine attack box, and now I will put in credentials. I guess save it. And Elasticsearch is loading. So while it's loading, Kibana Discover tab is placed where the analyst spends most of their time. This tab shown ingested logs, also known as documents. The search type, what do we have here? So we have analytics, over, discover, dashboard, canvas, maps, visualization. Search for logs. The search bar normalize fields. Here analytics can be performed. Following task: search the logs, investigate anomalies, apply filter based on search terms, time period. So discover tab within Kibana interface contains logs being ingested manually or in real time. The time chart normalized field analysis use these tab mostly to search, investigate the logs using the search bar and filter options. Some key information available in the dashboard interface are: so we have search, add filter, and we have, let's start from this is a log information. Source IP, we can filter by source IP. So those are filters, available fields. So these are sources where we have logs. This is a search, filter by time. This one will be visual representation of the logs we have by the time tail. This is inspect and filter. Okay, logs document. Each log here is also known as a single document containing information about the event. It shows the fields and values found in document. So if I will show dates, nope, I want this refresh, nope, 1 year, nope, I will want recent dates, nope. I want to customize this one, but I don't see how. Field pane left, field pane, let me see the customization. Okay, now I have it. So now I will customize this one. So June, January 1st until February 1st. That's it. So now we can proceed to the tab and fields pane. So this is the field pane. Those are fields. Left pane of the interface shows the list of fields passed from the logs. You can click on any field to add field to the filter or remove it from it. Let me click on, I don't know which one to choose, source country, source IP. So we have top 5 values in here and we can add and remove them. Exists 500 records. So index button left, use the select index button from the available list. Let me see the index button. Index button. Okay, this is it. Index button. Search bar. Here we go. Search bar. A place where the user adds search queries, applies filters to narrow down results. Let me apply filter. So we have a source in here, and now to remove it, I need to click this button. Okay, so we can filter value, filter out, filter in, toggle, and filter for field present. Okay. Let me close this one. Okay. Search bar. Time filter. This is a time filter. 5. We can narrow down results based on the time duration. The tab has many options to select from to filter limit the logs. Time interval. Alright, I guess this is refreshing maybe. This chart shows events count over the time. Let me see time interval. This is it. 6. This is time interval. Okay, this is the time interval. Top bar. This bar contains various options to save this one. Save, open saved threads, share or save. So time filter, we just throw time filter and we filter our search to January 1st until February 1st. Quick select tab is another useful tab within Kibana interface that provides multiple options to select from. The refresh every option at the end. This one, refresh every option, will allow us to choose the time to refresh the logs continuously. If 5 seconds is set, the log will refresh every 5 seconds. The timeline pane. This is the timeline pane. Provides information of number of events that occurred for the time date. As shown below, we can select the bar only to show the logs in the specific period. So if I will click this one, we will get narrow this period for this period. Okay. Okay. Let's refresh this one. Okay. We can select bar only to show logs specific period. Chart option. Hide. Auto. Okay. So now I want to. Oh, I see. The pane of the timeline changed from January 1st to February 1st to January 24 to January 31. So I will return to the original one and we will proceed with this. Left pane fields. The left pane panel of the Kibana interface shows the list of normalized fields it finds in the available document logs. Click on any field, will show top values as we saw previously. Nope. But top values. We can use the values to apply them. Click button will show logs containing this value. I get this is it. Now we have only for this value all the logs. And we can remove it and return to the original results. Okay. Add filter option. We can see here add filter and we can do it from there as well. Add filter, we have the fields and clear label. Okay. Create table. By default, the documents are shown in a row form. We can click on any document to select import fields to create a table showing only those fields. This may reduce noise and makes it more presentable and meaningful. Okay, so we saw in here, if we are adding this one, we got time and source IP. Now we can add also source country, and we will see source country in here. Okay, don't forget to save table format. How do I save table format? Now that I have it, toggle in table, and I don't see let's saving format. So let's say okay. I don't think that they are showing saving option, but it will be your homework, I guess. So now I want to free this up, and we just return to the same. Select VPA connection and filter from 31 December 2021 to 2nd of the February. So this one is will be changed to December 31, and this one will be changed to 22 2nd of February. That's it. So now we can update this one, and we got for better and for worse 261 number return. Which IP address has maximum number of connections? Source IP, I guess I will. Number of connections. And now protocol action. Nope. Let me see. Top value. This one. 3, 8, 63, 1, 4. This is it, the top value of the source IP. Which user is responsible for maximum traffic? User. Let me see if we got username. Top value is James. James. Create table. Okay, table. IP. Username. Source country. And save it. Title. Table. Question 4, I guess. IP. Username. SRC. Country. Save it. I guess save search. So now apply filter user Amanda. Add filter. Username. Select operator is value. Amanda. Save. Okay. Which source IP has maximum hits? I guess I need source IP. account source IP. Oh, I don't have the account source IP. I will have it in here. 1970. Yep. This is a top value. Okay. On 11th January, which IP caused spike observed in the time chart? Let me see. January 11. Okay, I guess I will remove Amanda filter, and we have spike, and we have source IP in here. This is the IP 172.1.60.1. This is it. How many connections were observed from, excluding New York State? Okay, doke. So I will return to the December 31. Now filter. Let's see. Source state is, let me see, New York. No, is not New York. Excluding how many connections were observed from, and now I will need another filter. Source IP is value 238 63 31 224. Okay, save. 48. That's it. Okay, now we have something new. Let me clear this too. KQL Kibana query language is a search query language used to search the ingested logs documents in the Elasticsearch. Apart from KQL language, Kibana also supports Lucene language, query language LQL. We can disable the KQL as shown below. KQL on disabled Lucene. In this task, we will explore KQL syntax. With KQL, we can search for logs in two different ways: free text search, field-based search, free text search. So I guess I will return to KQL. Okay, now I will punch down security and we'll update this one. no results. Text only. Let me. So freeze allows the user to search for logs based on text only. That means the simple search of terms will return all documents that contain these terms. So now source country, and we've just entered equals exists and those argument or okay. Let us look at the index, which includes VPN logs. One of the fields, source country, has a list of countries from where VPN connection originated as shown below. Okie doke. Let's search United States. United States. Search, and we will get in all the logs. Okay, so we have 3 or 4 logs. This search returns 23 of 4 logs. Hit. As we saw. Okay. And if I will remove states, we will get no results at all. What if we search only for United? Will return any result? Nope. So now we will use the wildcard. And we got the same result as previously. Wildcard is wildcard to match part of the term word. Let's find out how to use this wildcard in the search query. We have used wildcard in the term United States to return all results containing the term United States. Any other term, if we had logs with the United Nations, it would also return. So basically, wildcard doesn't care if you what words we have after United. Logical operators and or not. KQL allows users to utilize the logical operators in search query. Let's see the example below. So we have this one, or in England. If I can type England update, so or England United just couldn't use the wildcard. I don't know why. States, and now yes, so wildcard is not working in this kind of search. So we have or, and we just increase the hit of the returning logs. Add operator will end operator will We'll remove Virginia. We'll place only United States Virginia. Okay, and Virginia. So country we have in here United States. Source state. We can edit. Not in here, but here. Here we go. Source state Virginia. Okay. Now not similar can use not operator to remove particular term from the search. And not Virginia. So it will be everything but Virginia. Florida, Maine. Okay. Field-based search. This is it. In a field-based search, we will provide the field name and value where to look for in the logs. This search has special syntax as field value. It uses the colon as the separator between the fields and value. Let's look at a few examples. So I will source IP equals 238 163 31 4. We have 696 matched results and user name equals Lemon 48 matched results. Okay, so now as we click to search, will represent. Okay, very nice. So we have guide official reference for the KQL. So we want HTTP request method and wildcard, so we don't care which method we will get. We can specify the get hello body contain null pointer reference. We can specify string that represents URL or just do it in a regular expression style. We're escaping the column. Okay, must escape following characters. So we need to escape these ones. Fill the document with the range, so we can bytes with the range and timestamp now -2 weeks. Okay, filter document wildcard. So we have everything that starts with status code that starts with 404, 403, and etc. Negating a query not get, meaning we will get every result that not contains method get. So or status 400, similar to the find document where HTTP request method is get and the HTTP response status is 400. Use the query get and get. Oh, okay, and we can put this statement in brackets and add another statement. So get or delete, those are methods that we will want to see in our results, matching multiple fields. So data stream, and we don't care which fields are there in data stream. Query nested fields. Okay, so user first name Alice, user is JSON, I guess, and we can user first name Alice and last name White. Okay, names Alice and last name White. That's it for now in here, and we will proceed with the tasks. Create search query to filter out the logs from source country United States. User James. So filter source country, select is United States, and show from, and we can or Albert username equals and or equals Albert or username, I guess James. Let me see if so we have 101. Nope. James. Albert and James. Source country United States, and show logs from user James or Albert. How many were returned? James or Albert. Okay. Oh, so capitalize. So the case is sensitive. Yep. 161. So as usual, Johnny Brown was terminated at 1st of January 2022. Create the query to determine how many times a VPN connection was observed after his termination. Okay, so I will drop this one and we'll change this to Mr. John Brown, and I will change this one to 1st of January to February. Yep, I guess one hit, and this was 7th of January, one hit. Okay, so now we can proceed to The visualization tab allows us to, I guess visualization will be visualize library. Yeah, create. Okay, visualize library, and then we can create visualization. So allows us to visualize data in different forms like table, pie chart, bar chart, etc. This visualization task will use multiple options. This tab provides to create some simple presentable visualization. Create visualization few ways. Navigate to the visualization bar. One way is to click on any field, discover top, click on the visualization show below. Oh, I've just made it a little differently. Yep. I need to return to discover. Let me see. New. What? Where do we have auto? No. Visualization tab. Let me see this real quick. Visualization library. Advanced. So I found the way. So if we go and click on this one, we can visualize. So we basically can drag and drop anything we want. So there are bar, horizon, donut, pie, tree map, heat map. Here we have suggestions of this one. Okay, so we will correlation option. Often we require create correlation between multiple fields, dragging the required field to the middle. We will create a correlation tab. Visualization tab. Here we select source country as the second field to show correlation among the client source IP. So if I will drag this one in here, I will select as a pie, and now I will drag client IP. I don't see client IP though. Oh no. Oh, I need to remove this one and update. And now, hopefully, I will get all the data. Okay. Now I do have other, and I can play with this one with the options. Okay. Now I can table this one. Okay. And we have horizontal bar, area, percentage, lines, donut, tree map. Okay, I don't like this one. Heatmap experimental heatmap. Looks good, not too good. Area, meh, not at all. This one, select visualization type, remove anchor, metrics, nah. Let's return to buy. Drop some field here. Nope. Donut. I need to refresh this one and hope for the best. Source IP, donut. And we will return to the pie. Okay. So table visualization, save. Links visualization, save. Links visualization, none. Top IP, PC, top country. I don't have country in here. Source. What do we have here? Source, country, source country, source country. Here we go. So now I can save this to IP PC to country. Most important step, create those visualization. None. Description can be same as, but maybe need to be more informative. Step T creation. Failed connection attempts. So now create, click save button. Okay, failed. We will utilize the knowledge gained above to create table. Display the user and IP involved in a failed attempts. Okay. Now then I will need to refresh this one. With the new donut. Yep. So let me unsave changes. Okay, confirm. So let me discover. So we need user name. Nope. IP involved failed. Display the user and IP address. Okay. So username with visualize. We got username and we need IP. Source IP. And I will remove this user. Update the search. And we'll show it on the pie or donut. Okay. Which user was observed with greatest number of failed attempts? Oh, now I need failed attempts. get failed attempts. Let me search real quick. Failed. Simon. Yep. How many wrong API connection attempts were observed in January? Let me update this one real quick and change this one to 1st of January until 1st of February. And add, wait a minute, remove, I need to remove user filter out available fields, empty fields, meta fields. So I will records search name. I don't see where okay. So I will, how many wrong connection terms is it? Same. 274. That's it. Create dashboard. Dashboard provides good visibility on the logs collection. A user can create multiple dashboards to fulfill a specific need. In this task, we can combine different saved searches and visualization to create custom dashboard. VPN logs. Let me clean this one real quick. Create custom dashboard. I guess dashboards. Okay. Create. And now create visualization. Add from library. I guess we have this one and this one and this one. So we have some create add library. Very nice. So we can drag and drop this. So I can play this one in here. This one here. Wait a minute. Let me put this one and we can drag this one, add more and replace pane. Nope. Maximize, custom maximize. Nope. More, minimize. Oh, here we go. This one will give me option this one in here. Very nice. And this one I want to put from the left side. And this is it. Very nice. So now I can save my first dash. Top IP dashboard. Some text goes here. Okay. Tags. No tags. Store timeline with the time with the dashboard. Okay. Save. So now we have dashboard. Okay, very nice. We have our own dashboard. Okay, that's it. Very nice room. ELK. And so long for the next one.